After a morning's work, sometimes under pressure, you deserve to distress over a good meal with a taste of real home cooking. A dynamic team with over 30 years of experience in the restaurant business is at your service. Ivorian or international dishes? Take your pick from our varied menu. Cafeteria Corner by CEAV Services. Meals cooked and delivered to order. In addition to breakfast and lunches, Cafeteria Corner by CEAV Services provides coffee breaks and meals for your various events, meetings, conferences, christenings, weddings, and more. Cafeteria Corner by CEAV Services. Meals cooked and delivered to order. Located in Cocody, Anono, Cité du Bonheur. Infoline 07 78 05 1358. Chasspierre, Darus, and the entire Cafeteria Corner team look forward to your orders and deliveries.